How to view your full cycle performance plan. Let's say you're trying to remember what your goals are for the current performance cycle. The easiest way to find these is to look at your performance plan on Full Cycle Online. To get started, log in to Full Cycle Online. The easiest way to do this is through My Seaport. Once you've accessed your Full Cycle portal, click the My Reviews folder on the left-hand side of the screen. Then, find the program you wish to look at. Full cycle programs are always labeled by cycle year and employment type. Click the program. This will bring you to an overview where you can see where you are in the full cycle process. To see your performance plan, click Performance Plan on the left-hand side of the screen. From here, scroll down to see the institutional goals, your individual goals, and your talent development plan. If you'd like to print a copy of your performance plan, click the blue Actions button near the top right part of the screen, then click Print. And that's it! For more tutorials on using Full Cycle Online, please click the links below, and don't forget to visit our website for additional tools and resources.